Well, what's going on, guys? This is Vince with vshred.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you 4 easy to make quick bedtime snacks to help satisfy your sweet tooth and make you full. So like I said, today's video is going to be all about do-it-yourself snacks that you can make up real easily, real quickly before you go to bed if you are hungry or if you do have a sweet tooth craving and you're just not sure what you can eat. This is going to be a great variation for you to make up real quickly, and it's just going to be dependent on a couple of different nuts and other little like chocolate chips and yogurt covered almonds and stuff like that. So first up I'm just going to lay out which ingredients that we have here. And like I said, all 4 versions are going to require different ones, so you can just keep watching towards the end, but these are going to be the ones that are going to require all of them if you want to make all of them. So first off, we have almonds. After that, we got cacao wafers. Then we got golden berries. We got cashews. These are wholes and pieces. We got unsweetened dark chocolate chips. Make sure that you are getting the unsweetened version. Then we have dark chocolate cacao dusted almonds. We got yogurt raisins, we got yogurt covered almonds, and we got walnuts. So you don't necessarily need all of these. These are just the ones that are going to make up the 4 different variations. Now, before I get into this, I will say, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you are subscribing. I got new videos coming all the time, so click that subscribe button down there. There's not a D on the end of it. Let's make it so that there's a D on the end of subscribe. Turn it to subscribed. And also, make sure you're clicking the thumbs up button below for me. Also, if you're trying to get in shape and you want some help, I do have a free body type quiz that tells you the type of diet and the type of training that you need for your body type to see fast results and get in shape as quickly as possible. If you want to check that out, it's in the link in the description below the video. Alright, so I'm going to start off obviously with variation 1. Variation 1 is just going to be my regular mix of this trail mix. It's just going to be 4 ingredients. We're going to have almonds, cashews, dark chocolate chips, the unsweetened versions, and yogurt covered raisins. So for the almonds and the cashews, we're just basically going to be going 1 to every half of the dark chocolate chips and the yogurt covered raisins. So if you're going for a lower sized portion and you're going for less calories, we're going to go with a quarter cup, and then an 1/8 cup. If you're going to go with a bigger portion, I would recommend going half cup, 1/4 cup, 1/4 cup, and that's going to be the whole version, the whole trail mix made up. You can eat that as 1 portion, or like I said, you can just increase the portion sizes and you can make it so that you have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, as many servings as you want, so that you can just always grab from it and you have a big bag of trail mix that you made yourself. So that's version 1. And version number 2, we're going to be making one for any chocolate lovers out there. It's going to be called Chocolate Lovers Mix. So we're going to be going with the dark chocolate cacao dusted almonds, really good. Then we're going to go with the cashews just for something non-chocolatey. Then we're going to go with the cacao wafers and with the unsweetened dark chocolate chips. So for this, we're going to go with, again, the smaller portions of the dark chocolate chips and the cacao wafers. So we're going to go, you can, like I said, it's still going to be 2 to 1. So you can go half cup of the cashews and the cacao dusted almonds, and then quarter cup, or you can go quarter cup, and then 1/8 cup of the cacao wafers and the dark chocolate chips. Again, just if you want to increase the portion sizes and you want to do a full cup of the cashews and a full cup of the cacao dusted almonds, and then you want to go half cup. If you want to go 4 cups of this and then 2 cups of that, completely up to you. Just keep the portion 1 to 2 and make it in the size that you find fit for how many portions you were trying to make. So that's going to be version number 2. Version number 3 is going to be for any nut lovers out there. We're going to be going with all 4 different types of nuts here, but we're going to go double down on the almonds. So we're going to go regular almonds, we're going to go with cashews, we're going to go with the walnuts. I really love walnuts. And then we're also going to go with the yogurt covered almonds. So here, you're going to basically keep everything in the same amount. So you're going to go, probably go quarter cup. Again, you're trying to make it in the amount that you find fit, you can go cup, 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 4 cups, 4 cups, 4 cups, 4 cups. Just keep everything the same size here and make it in the portions that you find fit for however big, however much you're trying to make. And then we're gonna move on to the fourth and final version. We're gonna go with the Sweet Tooth Cravers trail mix. So this one is actually going to be 5 different ingredients. We're gonna start off with the yogurt covered almonds. We got the cashews as well, again. Then we're gonna go into the yogurt covered raisins. We're gonna go with the golden berries and finish it off with the dark chocolate chips, unsweetened. Now, because there are 5 different ingredients here, rather than 4, we're just gonna drop the size of the total amount. So we're gonna go with a 1/4 cup of the yogurt covered almonds. We're gonna go with a 1/4 cup of the cashews as well. And then we're gonna go with an 1/8 cup of the golden berries, the yogurt covered raisins, and the dark chocolate chips. Same thing, same rules apply here. If you are trying to make 10 different servings, all you have to do is bump everything up. So it's gonna be 1 to 2 ratio, 1 being the cashews and the yogurt covered almonds, 2 being the berries, the yogurt covered raisins, and the dark chocolate chips. So make whatever size portions that you want. But there you have 4 different do-it-yourself trail mixes that you can make. You can just run over to your grocery store, go over to the section that gives you these little baggies, and you can pick whatever ingredients you want and throw all these together and make some delicious trail mix. The reason I wanted to make this video is because I love trail mix personally, but the trail mixes that you find at the store are usually loaded in sugars. And so you're thinking that trail mix is supposed to be healthy, but really you eat trail mix and then you're eating a ton of sugar and you don't even realize it. So if you make it yourself, you're controlling how much sugar is in it, especially if you get stuff like the unsweetened dark chocolate chips, and you're basically keeping everything like the raw almonds, the raw cashews, and that's going to lower the amount of sodium that you're having as well. So it's going to help keep you from getting bloated. So hope you guys like these different versions of do-it-yourself trail mixes. This is great to have before you go to bed because healthy fats are going to help fill you up, and also all that different chocolate and yogurt is going to help satisfy your sweet tooth. So hope you liked it. If you guys are not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you are doing so. Leave any comments, questions, or concerns below in the comment section. Make sure you're hitting the like button below, and if you are trying to get in shape, I have a free body type quiz that tells you the type of training and the type of diet that you need to be following for your body type. So check out that link in the description below this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.